Do you remember the good old days? Back when dropping your phone didn't mean a shattered screen and a $500 repair bill, it meant you had to check if the floor was okay because that Nokia was basically a brick of pure titanium. We all lived through the golden age of Nokia, but let's be honest, they've been playing hide and seek in the smartphone arena for way too long. But legends say that when a dragon sleeps, the whole world trembles when it finally wakes up. Well, brace yourselves, because the beast is stirring. Today, we're doing a deep dive into the Nokia Dragon Pro 5G. Is this the phone that's finally going to send Samsung, Apple, and the rest of the competition back to the drawing board? Let's break it down. The display. Nokia has officially deleted the word budget from their dictionary. We're looking at a massive 6.93-inch Super AMOLED panel. This isn't just a screen, it's an immersive experience. With a crisp QHD Plus resolution, a silky smooth 144Hz refresh rate, and a staggering 390Hz touch sampling rate, your inputs are going to be instant. Gamers, this is your holy grail, your shots will connect before your enemy even knows you're there. And for the sun seekers, the peak brightness is blindingly good, you could be watching Netflix in direct sunlight, and every pixel will pop. Protected by Gorilla Glass 7 and an IP68 rating, this phone isn't just designed to look pretty, it's built to survive the toughest drops and deepest puddles. It's the ultimate fusion of elegance and tank-like durability that we've all been craving from a modern flagship. Camera setup. Prepare for the competition to get nervous. We're talking about a quad camera setup led by a massive 200-megapixel primary sensor. But Nokia isn't just chasing megapixels, they've overhauled their image processing engine. The low-light performance here is nothing short of sorcery. While flagship phones often struggle with noise in dark environments, the Dragon's AI night vision turns shadows into daylight. And if you're a content creator, the cinematic stable mode is a game changer. You can ditch your gimbal, the footage looks like it was captured by a pro film crew. Plus, that 50-megapixel front shooter gives you professional-grade selfies without that over-filtered look. Whether you are capturing a neon-lit street or a cinematic landscape, the color science is so accurate it feels like you're looking through a professional DSLR. Performance. Why is it called the Dragon? Because under the hood, you've got the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, the most powerful silicon on the planet right now. Whether you're hardcore gaming, 4K rendering, or heavy multitasking, this phone doesn't blink. And don't worry about overheating. Nokia has integrated an advanced vapor chamber cooling system that dissipates heat so effectively that you can push this thing to its limits for hours without losing a single frame of performance. Best of all, it's running a clean, bloatware-free Android 16. It's fast, snappy, and exactly what a power user needs. No bloatware means no lag, just pure, unadulterated performance that keeps your device feeling brand new even after months of heavy use. Battery and charging. What's the point of all that power if your phone dies by noon? Nokia packed this beast with a 7500 mAh monster battery. You can finally leave your power bank at home. And when you finally do need to juice up, the 100-watt superfast charging will have you back to 100% in the time it takes to grab a coffee. Plus, with their new intelligent battery health chip, your battery will hold its capacity for years to come. It's a total game changer for long-haul travelers and power users who are tired of being tethered to a wall outlet. Price and availability. Nokia is playing it close to the chest, but the industry buzz is electric. Rumors suggest a price point between $600 and $750, putting this firmly in the flagship killer territory. If this hits the shelves in 2027 at that price, the major players have a massive problem on their hands. So, the question is, are you ready to reunite with the brand that started it all, now powered by the tech of the future? Would you choose the Nokia Dragon Pro 5G over the latest iPhone or Galaxy? Drop a comment below, let's get the conversation started.